Let's talk about something real for a minute. Not everyone is excited about AI. In fact, a lot of people, especially us over 50, are frustrated, skeptical, and even a little angry about it. Honestly, I do understand why. I've seen the comments. Some people feel like this technology showed up out of nowhere, and suddenly we're all expected to understand it. It can feel so overwhelming. It can feel unnecessary. And for some people, it feels like just one more thing they're being forced to figure out. So let's talk about this. Let's break down where this frustration is coming from. All right, one could be feeling it's moving too fast. There's no gradual learning curve. It just appeared everywhere. It might feel a little forced. Banks, phones, websites are all suddenly everything is using AI. There might be a little fear of being replaced or left behind. Even if people don't say it out loud, that feeling I know is there. And there could be a few trust issues. There's so many scams and misinformation, deep fakes. People don't know what's real anymore. I can totally relate. And the way it's being talked about, a lot of tech conversation feels like they're not meant for everyday people. And I can tell you, sometimes even my brain goes a little scattered with it. So let's talk about normalizing this emotion. How do we make this feel more comfortable? So if you felt frustrated, skeptical, or even just a little angry, you're not wrong. You're actually reacting to something that changed very quickly. And sometimes change is hard. Wasn't a lot of clear explanation. Boom, it was just here. But here's the part I want you to consider. You don't have to embrace AI, my friends. You don't even have to use it for everything. But understanding it, that puts you back in control. Wise people say, what we fear the most is because we don't understand it. So here's a simple way to approach this. Start small. Don't try to learn everything. As a matter of fact, that's what AI for over 50 is all about, teaching small little steps at a time. Use it for one practical thing, like asking a question or explaining something really confusing for you. Treat it like a tool, not a replacement. You're still in charge. You get to decide what information is put in there or what you ask it to do. But my friends, stay curious, not pressured. You can learn this at your own pace. So remember, this series isn't about pushing technology on you. I want you to feel comfortable. I want you to understand that there's so much value here that you can utilize in your life. But remember, it's about making sure you don't feel left behind or overwhelmed by something that already is part of the world now. It's not going away. As much as some people may wish it to, it's here to stay. So now I want to hear from you. Have you ever felt frustrated or even a little angry about AI? Just say yes or no in the comments. If you're willing, I'd love to hear what bothers you the most. Talk to me, because I read every comment, and I will build videos around you and how I can help. Digital Rebel Granny out.